highest qualification is B.Tech. I have done in Hyderabad, and after that I have worked in several industries like industrial automations, and finally I switched to the IT, and I have worked for 3 years. Now I want to change my career path, so I choose Python. Then I have searched internet all along which is the institute is the better. So through Google, I have found out the SDLC in Bangalore. So I came here last month, that means in June. So I figured out, then I visited the SDLC, the faculty was good and the HR team also good here, and yeah, I have visited here, then I have attended three or four demo classes, then I joined here because the trainer is available all time here. You will have one class per daily, that is 1 hour, and you will get any doubts. Trainer will be available at the time. After the end of the session, you will get a questionnaire like solving problems. They will give you some functions we need to try. So we can try it at home or we can try it in the lab also. So if you have any doubts, sir will be there, trainer will be there, you can ask him. And here is the management look like this, and you have any doubts you can directly ask the management, and any time changes and based upon that, and you have any issues with any other, if you don't understand the trainer the way he teaches, you can also ask the management to bit slow and bit faster like that. Yeah, this is SDLC Training Center, and they are providing the lot of IT courses. So you can visit once and you can try demos. Then only you can understand what they are teaching. So then you can decide whether it is good or not. Okay, all the best for your future.